What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with another Shiba Inu update, guys. I mean, look, you should be excited if you're part of the Shiba Army right now. There's a lot of reasons why. Before we get into that, as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell because you never know which update is going to help out. You never know. But remember, all this information in this video and in this channel is not financial advice. It is nothing but entertainment and education. That's what it's for. You may do what you want with the information because you are your own person, but I don't just buy something because I talk about it. All right. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and make your own smart, wise decisions. Right. I'm just here to share what I know, what I see, and what we're looking at here in the bullish currency community. So let's get right into it. Here we go, guys. We got Shiba Inu. Oh my God, right? Like, in the bullish currency community, me as starting off my journey before even getting deep into crypto as a trader and understanding how to read a candlestick chart, um, I saw an amazing pattern in this area, this support area that we have here, right? That we have. Look, we're right in between two areas, two levels, two support levels. And I started to see certain things. I saw a specific pattern pop up right there at the bottom. And that basically told me we're going to be bullish. It's very important to go and learn some basics, right? If you really want to take this stuff serious. People overlook certain things. And I feel like those things they overlook are actually it's like a secret hack, right? It's like a way to exit out of the matrix. And what I mean by the matrix, as far as when it comes to trading, is the matrix is, 90% of people are losing, right? And as day traders, there's a reason because they're stuck in the matrix. And when you figure out certain things that I teach here in the bullish currency community, which are definitely things that are mainly overlooked, which in reality, they're just a hack. It's a hack, right? So we saw a bullish pattern. We saw that, we got our confirmations. We got two patterns down below, and then boom, to the moon. We got a nice move to the upside back to quad 050, right? Maybe even 51. Yep, nearly 52. Quad 050, 52. That is a good, solid move. And I've been telling you guys this for a while. There's a lot of whales still buying in. They're adding to their bag. I mean, just recently, on average, whales are adding $20 million worth to their bag. On average, guys, during this whole consolidation phase of it being a little bearish, people are adding to the bag. We got some news before we get into some more data and numbers and maybe some more chart analysis. I want to tell you some news. So she becomes the fifth biggest crypto in terms of Twitter followers, reaching 2 million, guys. That's massive. That's just to show you how many people know about this. Most people aren't even on Twitter, but this just to show you how many people know about Shiba and they're believing in it. They like the project. They're part of the Shiba army. It's pretty crazy. And also, Shiba is now backed by a Samsung backed crypto wallet, right? It's a unique crypto wallet. And now they're supporting Shiba. So that's just another, I guess you could say, collaboration of some sort with pretty big people. And that only usually equals what? More bullish movements and stuff like that, right? That's always a good sign when more people are believing in it. Why are these whales, these rich people, adding to their bag while the average person is panicking and getting rid of their bag? Here at Bullish Currency Community, we are just waiting for that next big bull run, but we are aware that the retracements and corrections can take some time. Okay. There's only certain levels in certain areas using, my form of analysis on a chart. There's only certain things confirmations I was waiting for to really tell me to take some of my bag out, all my bag out potentially, but it never happened. So we're still safe. We still look good. We're back to being bullish. Now, what I would like to see is this. We're going to go ahead and play around with some trend lines. I love just playing around with trend lines sometimes. I just like to see what type of image I get off of playing with the trend lines. And we'll see. Look at that. Wow. Play with the trend lines. I just like to play around. And we found a trend from this peak to this peak that actually ends up being perfectly where the bullish momentum slowed down. But ultimately, all we're doing is retesting this area here again. So it's not a big deal. You know, we do have a reversal forming right now, probably definitely more in the smaller time frames, where I would again look for the certain patterns and certain behavior and confirmations that I want to continue, you know, for it to continue being bullish. But right now, I just think this is a simple retest of this structure and should push back up. You know, what I would like to see definitely is it for it to start to break through this trend here and eventually start to break through these levels. More confirmations to be bullish, right? More confirmations to be bullish. So let's go ahead. That's pretty much it for the market outlook, guys. Still bullish. It's still in that range, right? Don't get like super duper excited about this little tiny bull spike because it could easily come back down, right? When I go to the 4 hour, I see huge potential for it to actually come back down and retest this area. So it ain't over yet, right? We don't know yet until I see how these next candles close and it tells its story. But that's it for the chart analysis, guys. Still in the same range, in a better spot than it was maybe, you know, yesterday, but definitely still ranging, still just correcting itself. We're talking about almost 12% gain so far. Everything is green. That's great, right? When the volume is green, everything is green, market cap, everything is green. That's always a great sign, guys, right? Green light, go, right? um, so let's take a look at this. You guys know I like to look at the holders. I mean, I don't show on these videos everything we look for. I just show a couple of things. And that's not to say that it's something special. No, that's definitely something you can learn. But you know, I like to keep our techniques and our things private to our specific community, but I do share some valuable stuff here anyway that can help you just using these little things that you're hearing me talk about. So here we go. Shiba Inu, as you can see, the holders are back to a steady increase. Um, yeah, right now we're looking at a steady 4K increase. It's been looking like a 4K increase lately. We were recently at a nice 10K growth a day type of momentum. So yeah, everything looks good, guys. I like green, you know. I like holders increasing. I like bullish momentum on the chart. I like bullish patterns and confirmations on the chart. And as of right now, we are just overall still ranging. I'm going to repeat that again. We are just still ranging right now, but it is looking good, better than yesterday. And the news, of course, is good. The fact that we have 2 million people on Twitter showing love to Shiba, a part of the Shiba army, following Shiba every move. The fact that whales, you know, very wealthy people know that this is a great time to add to their bag and not just a little bit of money, but a good amount of money, right? And then, of course, more partners, more collaborations. Guys, bullish, right? I'm gonna knock my phone down. Bullish is what we are, guys. That's pretty much it, you know, for today's video, guys. But as always, you know, make sure you stay blessed and you stay bullish.